In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix Alight motion cannot sign in. So right now, go ahead and update it by going on the App Store or tapping on it. And next, go ahead and tap on the settings. Go ahead and scroll down to find the Alight motion. And here what we need to do is tap on the photos and make sure that all photos is selected, and also enable the media in Apple Music. Now once done, go ahead and go to the general section and go to iPhone storage and find the Alight motion and just offload the app and reinstall it. Now go ahead and open the Alight motion app. Next, go to your profile in the top right corner. So now once we're here, go ahead and log in your email account and go ahead and tap on continue and choose your email account. And that's all for now folks, thanks for watching.